Hello guys. So apparently I've been looking for a controller for this guy. Be honest with you, I won't even want to spend extra money for a controller because I have a feeling this company is probably gonna come out with one, or DJI is gonna come up with one. The reason why that actually I'm deciding not to use a Bluetooth controller because apparently there's like latency. So if you are far away, especially if you want to use your extender, I won't even use a Bluetooth controller because I did try it with the Bluetooth controller, not with the Tello, but with the Mambo. And to me, it's just like once you're going far away, it just shows a lot of latency. So anyway, so I got this here. I know it's 70 something dollars. I think it's $79, man, for this controller here. But I think you probably get it cheaper. But for iPhone, all the way to I think iPhone 8 or iPhone 7. I don't know. Hopefully, we're gonna try it out with the iPhone 10. I've been looking around online for iPhone 10 controller. I didn't find anything that actually fits my needs. And I want it to be not bulky. I want it to be portable as possible. And I find this here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this here and use it. So it's supposed to be, because this guy right here is like, there's some controllers that you can even use. There's one, it's called MI, whatever it's called, you know, people using those. But for me, I just want something direct to my iPhone 10 because I'll be doing long range with it, with this guy here, with me Wi-Fi repeater too. So be honest with you, for this price here, you can almost get one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, see if it's any good. Be honest with you, yeah, you've been seeing my review with my Tello. I'm just using my iPhone 10 and my Samsung S8. I don't even use a controller, be honest with you. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. And there's a lot of stuff going on too. I ordered batteries for this guy here, and they even arrived either. And they're supposed to have a hub for this, you know, because you don't want to keep charging your battery, and this is really annoying. Hopefully Ryze or whatever you call them, they should come up with one right away. At least a controller that comes with it, like portable ones, like, yeah, kind of like the little Mavic or the Spark controller, but smaller. It'd be awesome if they did something like that. But anyway, I'm very impressed with this right here with the range. Never been really went this far. But anyway, I've been looking around, and to me, it just, I know Bluetooth controllers also drain your battery because with the iWatch, you know, with the it's also draining it. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and check this out, and if this thing really works with the iPhone 10, because see right now it says it only works with the iPhone 7 Plus. Hopefully it can go all the way to 10. We'll see. If it's not, then oh well. But anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. And how's the range? Does it affect anything? Because I don't like latency. Hopefully this controller there's no lag or anything, and it's supposed to be quick as possible to turn on to your this guy here. So thank you for watching.